market, city of San Jose. There's a place they are roasting the corn, and also there are different type of corn. They are making a different type, especially this is for more Spanish people like it, or Mexican. And I'm gonna talk with them, and they are roast corn for us, and let's see what they are doing. Please stay with us to end of this video. Thank you.
Piñatas are usually Mexican culture, and then the ones with have like 7 cones, it's like for the 7 sins. So that's why you break it for the 7 sins. And we've been here for like over 40 years just selling piñatas and stuff. So, yeah.
Okay. It's only for Mexican people, yeah?
It's for like all cultures, but it's mainly like a Mexican culture thing. So,
yeah. This is only for New Year's, Christmas, or birthday party?
For like mainly birthday parties, for any celebration. Like people do it for graduations, for parties, almost anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Especially for Christmas and New Year's, yeah. Any like celebration practically. And they just fill it up with candy. Sometimes they do peanuts and like oranges, but mainly candy.
Mainly candy, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You're gonna be on the YouTube, okay? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care. How you doing, brother? So what you doing now?
Yeah.
You're roasting the corn, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. First you put like that, then you take out the and put it again, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, pues ahí viene el patrón. Ahorita que él le explique.
Okay.
Ok, no en 2 minutos.
Your order number 3, yeah?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
Yeah.
on there?
I don't speak English.
No English?
Only
Espanol?
Yes.
How long working here?
Tengo trabajando 2 años.
Okay.
Aquí en Junior Roaster haciendo lotes con taquis, Cheetos, mayonesa y queso y de todos los sabores.
Okay.
En la Flea Market en San José.
Basically, they are getting orders from here for customers, and they are making and they are getting back the order. The pickup place over here, and they have 2 different corn plates, and they are making with cheese.
This is Taki Zombie.
This is turkey, yeah?
Zombie. Taki Zombie.
This also spicy or not spicy?
Es chips. Taki Zombie. Es como taquis molidos, Gerardo.
It's like Takis, but broken down. Like those types of chips,
Okay.
but broken down. Like,
Oh, this is chips you broke it down there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So, can you make 2 balls for us? No spicy. Not too much spicy. Make 2 balls for us. 2 balls corn for us, but no spicy.
Only mayo and cheese.
Mild, yeah.
Okay, for you.
Yeah, me and mine. Yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna test how is it. Busy.
Busy.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mucho work.
Mucho money. When busy, much money.
Yes. Yes, pa.
Voy a decir Doritos, necesito aquí.
no te sirve, tenemos el vaso y el palo.
Era uno de Light, un Doritos. Era uno Doritos, no uno.
Son 2 procesados.
Dame a probar todo.
Pero yo la salecita de ¿Son esos? $2.
Make 2 balls for us to. I want to try test it. How is it?
Ok.
2 different spice.
Lo voy a poner así. Ahí te dejo en esa. ¿No los chips? Sí.
Two corn in the bowl with mayo and cheese, huh?
Yeah, 2 different
Dos diferentes
spice.
Oh,
So I want to test it. How is it?
okay, takis. Do you want takis?
Yeah, 1 turkey and 1 other one. Which one is more famous?
No, more favorite is Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos? Okay. Okay.
No te
Y
taques.
one,
¿En vaso o en
¿cómo se llama?
mano? Palo. ¿En vaso?
Dorito.
Yes.
Dorito.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
No
yes.
spicy.
Yes.
It's only chips.
Okay. I will go outside and try it outside, okay? So they're making for us, and now I go outside and try it. So let's test the hot Cheeto with corn and cheese, yeah? Wow. This is really good, very tasty, and spicy. Definitely, it's very spicy, but this is really good. This one is Dorito with the corn and cheese. Wow. This one is really good for me because I'm not really big fan for spicy, not spicy, and this is really good, cheesy. Wow. Awesome. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, share with your family, friends. We're going to city to city, country to country, review food, veggie food, halal food, and thanks so much. Appreciate it. Assalamu alaikum.